take it out? All right, Farm Girl is going to take the boat out of the water for the storm. Dorian is bearing down over the next few days, so there's no sense of waiting to get the boat out.
And the tide's pretty high.
Yeah, the tide is very high. Look, it's all the way up here. That's scary. Now if we get a bad flooding hurricane, how much can we take? Oh, this is scary high.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Already.
Jeez, Louise, the floating dock is above the main dock. Alright, I can get that for you. Lower your motor and start her up.
Okay.
All right, hang on. Stay in the channel. Okay? Stay in the channel. All right. You might have to tool around out there because I got to get the truck backed up and it looks like I don't have a road right now.
Okay. See you in a little while.
All right. I'll be around. It's only 2 miles, right?
Huh?
Only 2 miles.
Yeah. I'm not scared.
I know it. I guess I beat her here. Oh, that tide is so high. Look at that. Oh my God. The piers are already underwater. Jeez. The storm is not even close. Oh, I don't like the looks of this. Wow. Oh, there she is. She made it right after I did. It's about 2 miles. Everything's clearing out. Got nobody behind me. This is Sunday, Labor Day weekend, and people are just not wanting to come out because of the storm. Yeah. You're looking good. A little bit this way. Good. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right. There's no dock, Jen.
I know.
It's crazy. And there's nobody waiting. The storm is hundreds of miles away, and people are just skittish, right?
Oh, you need to come out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's Oliver?
In the water right there. You see him with his frisbee, his yellow frisbee right behind him?
Did you see Greg?
Yeah.
Hey, Oliver. Hey, buddy.
So cute.
Kinda. This is days before the storm, right? Thursday. It's coming in.
I mean, if it doesn't speed up,
Yeah.
it speeds up and
So it should come in on Thursday, and today's what?
Sunday.
Sunday. Wow. I guess so. Do you want to walk in? Now let's walk in the back door. So what was it, a year ago?
Hurricane Florence came through.
Florence came through.
Place apart.
We're buddies up almost exactly a year ago. So here we are, hurricane season 2019, and Dorian is bearing down on us. So we're hoping for the best.
Yeah. Everybody looks relaxed.
See all the new construction? Just 3 or 4 years ago. A little joint where the back's up to the side of the screen.
That would be Brad Pelican, I believe.
I might be in that Brad Pelican.
So they want to open it.
Yeah.
Got laid on the side of the unofficial welcome center.
That's it. Can you see how it's raining down there? Oh,
Yes.
Jennifer.
I didn't do it.
Look at it. It's raining
Mother
down.
Nature did it. Yes, it's coming this way. Actually, it looks the same down there. Wow. That's my French fry.
All right. Back downstairs. Hey Jen, excuse me, I'm taking a picture of the dog. Hey baby, hi. How do you know how to do that? You have no power here, Jennifer. Nothing you can do here.
Yeah.
Prepare to lose.
I had to say goodbye to my puppy.
Oh. Here we go again.
What?
Another storm. Remember when we were down here filming in the...
I saw you from
Florence?
afar across the trailer park.
Did you just make that up?
No.
I
I read
did-
it.
I
I
did-
read it off the wall.
I didn't mean to turn you on. In a sushi restaurant that's normally packed
It's such a
and
good
nothing. There's nobody here because the storm is coming.
Yes.
One little
Everybody's
storm.
scared. But you think you'll get busy later, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm surprised.
I'll just
Yeah.
They are afraid. I'm going to show you the proper way to wash your hands in a public restaurant. This is a hot spot. This is a hot spot. There's fecal matter on there. You don't want to eat other people's poop off of there. You don't want to eat other people's poop off of there, do you? Look, I'm touching fecal matter and bacteria that can cause disease, okay? So I use it, I'm going to use this toilet. What do I do first? If it's not a push door, like I love doors that you push open because then you don't have to put your hand on that. Hot spot, hot spot, hot spot. Fecal matter, fecal matter, fecal matter, fecal matter, okay? The first thing you do is that. You get your tissue ready, okay? You do your, in my case, you do your business. I'm joking. You wash your hands, touch this, wash your hands, you turn it off, okay? Then, okay, don't do that. What did I just do wrong? I touched this after I washed my hands. Bad move, rookie move. Okay, so what you do, you get your soap in your hands, you got your sink going, you wash your hands, right? The sink is running, you rinse your hands, you don't touch anything, then you grab this. This has touched nothing. You turn the sink off with it. I'm going to show you. Hate to waste, but I'm going to show you. You turn this off like so. You've made no contact with fecal matter. You got clean hands. Then you open the door, and then if you want to shut the light off, you shut the light off. Throw the paper away. Then your hand is still clean. Then you can go eat your sushi without eating other people's fecal matter. Easy peasy. Look, no fecal matter.
Nice.
You're welcome. So that pregnant lady in Matt's place, in Buddy's, she did not like me.
She did not.
She walked into the restaurant, and I looked at that big swollen belly, and she was heading into the restaurant, and she stopped. She was really skinny, so I knew I could take the chance because of that big swollen baby in there. And I said, "Haven't you had enough already?" And she
Was
gave
not
me
pleased.
daggers.
Yes.
Oh, she did
She
not
wanted
like
to
that.
kill you.
She didn't think that was funny. Don't be saucy. Yeah, just wait an hour, you'll be okay.
I didn't want to leave the beach. You know, they blew up the sample packs.
Oh boy. I guess they needed the gas a little longer. Huh?
Yeah.